What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Life by Sienna K. Paul, and I'm back with another video. And today's video, me and my cousin, we're about to show y'all how we do our middle parts, like our middle slick backs, and we're just gonna get into it. And if y'all hear like the background, it's the fan because it's hot in this house. And don't mind our hair right now. I got heat damage.
I got shrinkage.
But we're gonna get into it. So let's get into it. So the things, the bird.
At Sesame Street, the one with the little patch up here.
Oh yeah. Okay, the things y'all will need, well, that we need for our hair. She got Extreme, I got Eco. Y'all will need a comb. Shoot.
A variety of combs.
Yeah, a variety of combs. Because this to comb your hair out and this to part your head. So we got our own stuff. Y'all need like rubber bands or like hair tie and some edge control.
I think we got the same edge control.
Yeah, we do got the same edge control. 24 hours, best edge control.
I got a whole bunch of brushes.
Yeah. And I got comb brush and a brush. Don't mind what's in it. Sorry. And then also for my ends, I got some oil, which I'm about to put in right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this in right now because my ends is dead.
Have to buy this. Oh my god. She look like a little boy.
Also, I do got this by Auntie Jackie or whatever. Oh, my hand's slipping. Sorry. Don't mind the back of the room.
Your back going through a little bit of,
Yeah, behind here, like right here, this was supposed to be my backdrop, but you see, we making a hair video. We need a mirror. So, and I'm gonna just put this on my hair. Just a little on my hair. Just to make the curls pop a little. Just to make it pop a little. And then after this, we're gonna get into it. And I might play music behind because we might be a little bit too focused.
I'm saying, because our child, the face we be making,
When we focus,
is not it. We had to straighten up the back because it wasn't looking presentable.
This is the end results. Can I see?
Yeah.
This is the end result of our ponies. Real slick, real slick. Jay, you want to show them a close-up of yours?
That's not what we do.
You don't gotta do the back, you can do the front. Turn. Other side. Let us know in the comments if you guys want us to do any more videos, hair videos, because I will be doing a lot of hair videos. Let us know if you want us to do high buns, low buns, just a ponytail at the top, rubber bands, anything y'all want, I will do. And I will be posting out here more. So without further ado, we are out.